We're gonna do corn dogs, but we're gonna do basically Mexican corn dogs,
nice.
right? So we're making our corn dog batter. We have some jalapenos in there. We have flour, we have salt. We have, of course, a little bit of buttermilk in there. But my secret ingredient for the batter for these corn dogs is cream corn, right? So it's gonna add a lot of sweetness to that.
Sweet and creamy.
Exactly. I'm gonna stir in my cream corn. And then here's a clutch tip as well. I have our hot dogs on skewers, and then I'm gonna roll our hot dog in a little bit of this cornstarch.
A little cornstarch.
Yep. Or even just flour. It'll give it a dry surface so that this batter will then adhere a little bit easier to the dog. It'll stick to it.
Dang.
Right there into the fryer. Okay.
In goes the dog.
While that's there, we have some in the back. Rachel, can you grab me a couple of those dogs?
Sure.
Grab me those dogs. And this is the way you also want to get into a tailgate. Make a bunch ahead, right? You want to enjoy the game and enjoy the people that you're at the tailgate with. We're going to go to the Richard Blais level, and we're going to make this like sort of Mexican street corn
dog. Mexican street corn dog.
Yeah, so I have some mayo right here.
Right.
And we're going to lay out our mayo, and then we're going to sort of coat this fried hot dog. And then we're gonna add all of these amazing sort of Mexican street dog flavors. So we have this chopped cilantro, right?
Gotcha.
We have some cotija cheese, which is like a
cheese and mayo on your fried hot dog.
Exactly. Okay, there we go. And then we're gonna finish it with a little bit of Mexican chili spice.
Wow.
And then, of course, to really take it to the next level, you want that acidity. Acidity is what brings out flavor. So we're gonna add a little bit of lime juice.